present here and also present for making this program a grand success. I also express the London the judicial officers from this Paschim Bardhaman district for their effort and tireless effort with regard to the inauguration of this composite court.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Honorable Justice Dr. Bardhaman district to please deliver the vote of thanks of today's inauguration program.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, T.S. Sebakkanam, the Honorable Judges of Calcutta High Court who are watching this program through virtual mode, Honorable Minister in Charge, Law and Justice, Sri moloyghatak, the legislature, dignitaries who are on the dais and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. That Durgapur is also known to me from my school days. I can recollect when I was a student of 7th or 8th, a common question was there in the children's paper. Which area in India is known as the Rule of India? Which was settled in favor of one Gopinath Chattopadhyay. That is why Gopinath Chattopadhyay. That is why at one point of time India was known as Gopinathpur. Then it was renamed with one of his sons, Durgapur Chattopadhyay, and then it was known as Durgapur. So this Durgapur is not only enriched and not only known as steel capital of India, the industrial revolution also took place from this area. This area has its own heritage, culture, and of course the greenery. So at the end of this program, I am to propose the vote of thanks. I am really honored and privileged to propose this vote of thanks. At the very outset, I must thankful and really I have the deepest gratitude to our Chief Justice to have with us physically. The Chief Justice, the Honorable Chief Justice, he has inaugurated a lot of infrastructural development programs in the district judiciary of West Bengal. And we are very fortunate that very rarely he attended those programs physically. But here we have with us Honorable Chief Justice physically. We are really touched, and this is a lot for us. The visionary leadership of the Chief Justice and his constant effort, encouragement has ultimately resulted in a lot of infrastructural developments for the district judiciary. And gathering Now, in our old days, কেউ পড়ে পাস করে না, পাস করে পড়তে হয়। It means the significance of these words are that it's a constant process, learning process, studying process. So the students who are now students, all of you have to keep it in mind that আইন পাস করাতে আমাদের পড়াশোনাটা শুরু হয়। সুতরাং আমাদের পাস করাটা অত ইম্পর্টেন্ট নয়। What is important is to start studying after we get the LLB degree. I also place my gratitude to Honorable Minister Law and Justice, Sri Moloyghatak. Ghatak means, we all know, catalyst, isn't it? Ghatak means catalyst. And practically, the minister in charge is really a very good job being acted as a catalyst in between the judicial department and the finance department, for which this project was stalled for a long time. We are very thankful that he acted as a catalyst to make it an early inauguration, rather before it was scheduled to be inaugurated. We are fortunate that he has taken his personal initiative, because we all know that he is also the son of the soil. So he has taken a personal initiative, and that is why our dreams have come true, and we are expecting that it will be made functional within the month of December 2025. I would also like to thank Sri Siddhartha Kanjila, whose constant cooperation has resulted the early new court building to make constant endeavor to sort out the other issues that we have raised before the government of West Bengal. This relates to the district judiciary of the Asansol court building, as well as the Durgapur court building. I express my deep gratitude to Srimati Aditi Choudhury, CEO, Asansol Durgapur Development Authority, for constant support to build the judicial infrastructure in that district. Sri Bhaskar Banerjee, Asansol Durgapur Development Authority, Srikanto Mondal, Executive Engineer Civil, and Sanjoy Basu, Executive Engineer Electrical, Asansol Durgapur Development Authority, are also equally entitled to get the praiseworthy credit at Durgapur in a time of Bar Association Durgapur, as well as Sri Ajoy Mukherjee, President, and Bani Kumar Mandal, Secretary, Asansol Bar Association, and other members of both the bar, gracing the occasion. I am also immensely thankful to support towards District Judiciary of Paschim Bardhaman to uphold the rule of law, which is a bedrock of the constitutional democracy. We all know that an event of construction of the new court building cannot happen overnight. The ball started rolling in the year 2018, which requires meticulous planning and bird's eye for detailed layout of work. And we are fortunate enough to be backed by a dedicated and proactive team of Messrs. Manwa Nibas Consultancy Firm, who actually prepared the plan of the new court building and estimated the cost of the entire newly constructed building. My heartfelt thanks also goes to Srimati Navanita Ray, learned Registrar General, who is known also as silent worker, Sri Ajoy Mukherjee, who is also son of the soil and also helped in lot of issues to resolve, and Sri Shurojit De, very hard working and also knowledgeable person, and also takes special initiative to make it a success. I really thankful to them for their involvement and their willingness to take initiative for the completion of the task of inauguration of the new subdivisional court building at Durgapur, Paschim Bardhaman. I would also like to thank Sri Debaprasad Nath, learned District Judge Bardhaman, for his constant endeavor to monitor the construction work of this new subdivisional court building at Durgapur, and I still request him to take up the other pending issues with the judicial department and also with the High Court so that it can get resolved within a very short period of time. I also convey my best wishes to all the learned judges in the district judiciary of Paschim Bardhaman for getting an opportunity to work efficiently, and also I would like to thank all the other members of the bar, the law clerks, and the all hard-working persons whom I may not have mentioned their names, but who had actually done a lot for the construction, early construction rather, of the court building. My sincere gratitude also goes to all the support staff members of Paschim Bardhaman District Judiciary for their rock-solid support system and encouragement towards achieving excellence in dispensation of justice. I would also like to thank to the learned Registrar IT High Court at Calcutta for enabling online access to the viewers and live telecast through YouTube of the inaugural function of new subdivisional court building at Durgapur, Paschim Bardhaman. Last but not the least, a big thank to media persons, both electrical and print media, and to each one of you who have made the inaugural function of the newly constructed subdivisional court building at Durgapur, Paschim Bardhaman a great success. Advance puja greetings to all of you, and with this I wish all of you a great day ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Your Lordship. Is the idol team to please play the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय
Thank you.